If you can't handle news, then just go like this. Oh no. Oh shit. Bad. Jeez. Oh no. Now you have FOMO, right? You can't have FOMO, chat, when you didn't plan for the move. So look, we came down. I think we pushed down pretty nicely, right? Which is a good thing. So now it comes down to, is price going to continue to push down or will it reject, right? So now you have some good direction. You have some good volume, right? Don't worry. The volume is here to stay. So there's nothing to stress about. You're not going to miss out on any volume. However, this is what it comes down to. It comes down to whether or not this is a top wick, which looks like highly it is, to be honest, because you're pushing pretty heavy. And it comes down to how you close there. So you can close below 2043, 2043 or even 2038. You can look for sells down towards the next range, wherever it closes here. But you do have a closure in 3 minutes here. So I would likely wait for that. Again, the hard part here was figuring out whether or not where you'll grab liquidity first. But it looks like this might have been it. Not confirmed yet, but if you can take the next steps and use some more confirmations to confirm where that is, for instance, like if you close below here in about 2 minutes here, right? And then the next candle opens up into a top wick and it flips bearish, that's your sell, right? Pretty straightforward day. You would expect the top wick tapping you into these levels to the left here, and then you can look for a sell on the rebreakout lows, because taking a wick entry might be a little tough due to the fact that this could be liquidity down to drive up, right? So you want to be cautious of that, and that's why a sell stop would be more preferred. But again, in 2 minutes here or in 3 minutes here, that's when you'll figure out whether or not you close below or not, and it's very crucial for us to close below. All right, chat. But yeah, man, just keep in mind, the 4-hour candle can still flip. It's still respecting some type of support here to the left. The 1-hour candle could still flip bullish as well. It's still respecting that support. This can just be liquidity, right? So just keep in mind of these things, and that's why you want to take the extra steps in your analysis today to confirm that that is not liquidity and that's going to drop down, which is for me a close below in the top wick. For you, it could be whatever, right? I'm not sure what that is for you, but that's what I would do. But yeah, man, 2 minutes left. The candle had no shame. How many stop losses did that just trigger? Well, if you don't have a stop loss, I guess none. If you guys had stop losses, though, congrats. I think it would have been okay though. I'm not sure if you would have got slipped or not. It was a pretty quick move, but even if you did get slipped, I think you would have been fine because it still ran like quite a bit, right? Nice. 1 minute. Yeah, man. If you close below 20, I think I have a level sitting at 2043,297. Right there. Anything below there should be good to drive you down towards 2038 if you do end up closing below there. Just a mini top wick is what I'll need, right? By mini, like it's just like maybe like something like this. Like for instance, if you close where we are, then maybe like this, right? Or even like this. But overall, as long as you don't tap to 2038 before the 5-minute closure, you have range to drop down there still. Or as long as you have a wick to fill, right? If you close like bearish with no bottom wick, then it might be a little tough. You need a closure below 2038 then. But until then, you do have range going down here still. 50 seconds, chat. Let's see how it closes here. Is this setting on? General? Yeah, it is on. Cool. You have like a decent range coming down here. You have like a 27 pip range. You have like a, well, depending on how we close, I prefer we can pull back a little further. Like I would prefer we can close at 2042, 2041.7 or something. But let's see. 24 1.3 to 1.7, 0.65. Okay, cool. So you're pulling back, which means that you should form a top wick here, a mini one. Still not in yet. Still need that top wick, chat. Okay, there's a top wick. So now I'm gonna have the sell stop below the candle low, right? So I'm gonna have a sell stop at 2040.65. Anything below that candle flip should take you down towards the bottom of the range here, which is gonna be at 2038. Reactivated. All right, there you go, chat. So got sells here off of that kind of flip, taking sells down towards the next support here to the left, which is gonna be, sorry, stop's gonna be up here at 25.8 and TP is gonna be down here at 2038.496. Okay. But yeah, just a closure below, just expecting price to continue driving down. Let me just make sure my TP is intact here. All right, gonna close full there, my positions if I can. All right, chat. So there's a trade there. Yeah, I mean, not much I can really say. He came down, tap TP. It's a little quick trade. I mean, yeah, I guess that's the Friday.